Hey ladies and gents, so today I'm coming to you with a part 2 of the Hershner's haul. As I said in my previous video, I did pick up 3 felt kits for Minions. I have Minion 1 over my shoulder. Minion 1. And his Minion, we're going to talk about his Minion. Who's this?
Stuart!
This is Stuart. I followed the directions on how to make Stuart, but the thing is, I felt that they didn't have enough stuffing in there that wasn't filling out the body as much as it should have. So went to a hobby store and bought some fiberfill to add stuffing. And Stuart is which one of the Minions?
Stuart is the one with one eye. He's one of the main minions. Stuart, Kevin, and Bob are the main
Okay, so who has Minion?
Stuart!
Minion 2.
No, I'm Minion 2.
Minion 2.
Minion
Come
2,
here. You have to-
Minion 2. Bye. Welcome back.
Minion 2 has, who's this?
Kevin!
This is Kevin.
Hi.
Like I said, with each of the Stuart,
he's Minion 2.
he had also needed extra stuffing. I wish they had made his mouth to have like a face, but his only had the stitching to make represent a face. Now I kind of regret, I would have, if it had been me, I should have done it in black, but I followed the directions for the picture. So this is
Kevin!
okay, so Kevin Stewart, and then we have, who's the last one? Minion 3. This is Minion 3's, and this is Bob. What's his characteristics?
Banana.
Brown and green eyes.
Yeah.
I think this is, I think, out of all of them, I think Bob is my favorite out of the 3.
I don't have a favorite minion. I like Bob.
I have my favorite minion.
Look,
Kevin.
everyone look. It has 2 colors.
No.
No, 3. See? Brown, black, and white.
Yes, but Bob has brown eye and green eye. So that's pretty cool.
I have 2 eyes.
Yeah, you have 1.
They're both bald. He's bald.
And he's the one that usually yells banana, right?
Banana!
And he also has the teddy bear, right? And
Who
one of the-
does?
This guy.
Banana!
Yeah.
No.
Yes. I have the
So my review for the stuffies, the Minions, is that
minion.
if you did pick them up from the Hershner's warehouse sale for $1 a piece, I would suggest adding more stuffing to the things, because with the stuffing that came with it,
Banana!
they would have been very, very flat, like even flatter than what is in here. And yeah, I would say get more stuffing to add to them. And yeah, had I thought about it, could also use real buttons instead of the felt buttons that they added into it. And yeah, what do you guys think of your Minions, guys?
Good.
Excited that I picked them up for you and made
Yeah,
them for you?
I like Kevin the best. Mine's strongest arm.
Banana!
Banana. I wanna do mine. Banana.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy these videos.
Make sure to put 100
Subscribers.
Make sure to subscribe this video, and don't forget to subscribe this minion.